Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show how to report Today I will show how to upload reels on Instagram. For these settings, you have to open your Instagram app. After opening your Instagram app, you have to click the plus icon here. After clicking plus icon here, you have to select reel. Then you have to make a reel from here. Then you have to click next. Then you have to write a caption. Then click to share. Then go to your home page. Then refresh it. Then see guys, the reel has been uploaded. Friends, that was the video. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.